My name is Troy Randall, and I'm a chef at Riverside Doctors Hospital in Williamsburg, Virginia. I joined Riverside because I was tired of working the fast-paced restaurants that I was working at, and I wanted something that was a little more organized, and I wanted somewhere that I could grow with, somewhere that appreciate their employees, and some place that I could, retire from, basically, somewhere, because you get to a certain point in your life where you're tired of just working jobs here and there. You want to work somewhere where you feel stable and feel wanted and feel like people appreciate what you do. And I found that at Riverside. I grew up in Williamsburg. I moved here when I was about 12 years old, so I call Williamsburg my home, which has been since I was a little boy. We cook for anybody that comes here. We cook for people in the cafe, like the employees or the family members of the people that's in the hospital. But my main priority and my main focus is cooking for the patients. Eating is a way to recovery. If you eat good and you like your food and you like the presentation of your food, and it makes you feel good when you first. Because I do believe myself that people eat with their eyes first. So I try to make the plate presentable and make it taste good. And that's our goal here, is to make it like a family environment. That's what I like to do. I like to cook like I'm cooking for my uncles or my mom or my sisters or something, every time I cook a meal. So that's something that I pride myself on. I love cooking. I love making people happy. Sometimes I go up and talk to the patients and, just seeing them eating something that I made for them, that makes me feel good. And food always brings people together.